your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
84-degree air temperature, a lot of cloud cover out there with some peaks of the sun from time to time between the clouds, and a dew point that's steamy at 74 still. South wind comes in at 14. It's going to be kind of a blustery day today, a little bit breezy out there with that southerly wind in advance of the front that's going to shift those winds around to a more northwesterly direction. When that happens, the front will be on our doorstep, and in fact, we'll be in the midst of the front, and we'll know that the temperatures will start to drop. 83 in Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish at 84, Bradenton at 84, Sarasota 84, Longboat at 81, 83 in Venice, 82 in Inglewood, 83 in Northport. So across the region, we have a couple of things going on. We have two frontal lines of showers gradually advancing in this direction. The first front will be bringing us intermittent showers during the afternoon and evening, particularly during the evening. And then the second front will be, that's actually the cold front, will be arriving on our doorstep probably about dawn tomorrow morning. Don't expect a whole lot from this. It's not going to bring us a lot of rain. It's not going to bring us totals that exceed probably a half an inch or an inch. That's about it. And we're not going to see much in the way of thunderstorm activity either. This is a gentle lift situation. It's not going to produce driving rains. It'll produce on and off showers during the evening and overnight. We'll watch the frontal boundary that's associated with this front kind of gradually drift closer to us. It's not really the one that's going to bring us the cold push of air. That one's still back to the north. And the two of these will actually basically marry and just move through here later in the day on Tuesday and bring us that cooler air. The first front comes our way tomorrow morning, moves through or stalls out, waits for the second little front to approach, giving it the push necessary to complete its journey through the state of Florida. And that will draw down some drier air, kind of in a two-shot framework, if you will, two-shot kind of way. The first will be tomorrow when we'll see a little bit of clearing take place as some drier air begins to sneak in. And we'll notice a drop in temperature, probably about 5 degrees or so. And then the next front will bring in that little bit of cooler air as we head into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. That's the one that will decidedly lower our dew points and certainly make it feel much more comfortable by lowering our temperatures another 8 degrees or so for Wednesday. So we look for kind of a cloudy condition today with some rain showers around, a breezy wind out of the south mostly, and then cooler temperatures by the time we hit Wednesday as both of these little shots of cooler, drier air moves in and our winds shift more to a northwesterly direction. You can see these few showers that we have on our futurecast coming through, and then that line of showers coming through tomorrow morning with the actual front itself. Then some clearings start to take place on our futurecast. I think that's pretty accurate through the day tomorrow. And then that next little front producing a little bit of extra cloud cover Wednesday morning, moving through, cleaning us out, and bringing in a pretty chilly couple of nights, particularly, I think. As far as the total amount of rain, again, I reiterate, most of the heavier rain showers will be well to our north, but we could pick up some places as much as maybe an inch of rainfall, maybe, if that much. As far as the forecast goes for boaters, watch those winds, though, because they could be elevated just a little bit. South-southeast at about 15. We will look for a daytime high tomorrow, about 5 degrees cooler, and then on Wednesday and Thursday, a daytime high of about 75 with a nighttime low in the 50s and low 60s. How about that, Scott?